Do you know that there is 5 things makes this keychain the best customizable 3D printed keychain? 1. You can adjust sizes and heights and spaces of everything. 2. You can add your name or text in both English or Arabic or emojis supported fonts. 3. Adjustable multi or single color. 4. You can easily convert it to fridge magnet. Let me show you how to use it. Welcome in version 1 and 2 of customizable keychain with fridge magnet. As we explained before, chooses emojis and text. Don't forget to check Arabic supported fonts. You can remove emoji by choosing custom emoji option and delete it. Adjust spacing between emojis and text. You will need this after you change the font or emoji. Adjust text size and adjust text height. The first 2 options. Control only the text itself, white. Now adjust the text offset and the outline height. This controls the base only, red. Add your needed color. You can make them both same color. Now adjust the keychain hole size and offset and height if needed. Press download and choose your printer and download 3MF file. Now let's convert it to fridge magnet. Turn on fridge magnet option and you can choose any magnet size you have. Please note, this option will automatically disable keychain hole option. Go up and increase outline height to a size which larger enough than magnet size. Now holes generated exactly perfect. Press download and choose your printer and download 3MF file. Everything is ready. Just slice and print both keychain version and keychain version. Now let's collect the keychain version. And collect fridge magnet version. Add just a little glue for the magnets. Five, it's free on MakerWorld. Don't forget that the seller version can generate multiple keychains in one time.